Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video trendy and stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful hair dye. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And so beautiful overall ideas in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyles in low maintenance. Some ideas: spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyle. And some collection wavy and curly styles. In low maintenance, wave and curl too short and look messy. And so beautiful collection of fine hairstyle and very attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, funky colors. And so charming ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. So attractive ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered. Some ideas in step. And overall ideas latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. So fan, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.